fencing, coaches education courses, seminars, lectures, and master classes, foil, épée, saber, training of the champion secrets. Dr. Gennady Tishner, the president of the Coaching Council of the International Fencing Federation, director of the FIE Coaching Academy, composition of technical actions, variants of combat actions, and the sequence of their mastering in fencing disciplines. Dr. Gennady Tishner is a coach to multiple world and Olympic champions with more than 40 years of experience as a coach in all weapons in different countries of the world.